What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama, currently trading for $43.5. How long will it take Kusama to get to $1,000? Where are we going to face significant resistance on our journey towards $1,000? Guys, we saw Kusama go from as low as $1 to as high as $600 at the top of the 2021 bull run, more than a 56,000% increase. The bear market has not been kind to Kusama. It has gone from as high as $605 to as low as $38. Should we start accumulating some Kusama right now? We are going to face significant resistance on our quest to the upside. We'll be taking a look at Kusama's performance against the US dollar since inception in 2019. We're looking at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, Kusama's performance against Ethereum, and we'll take a look at Kusama's market cap. It got to an all-time high of $5 billion at the top of the bull run in 2021. Currently, it's at $369 million. How high will it go in the next bull run? How low can we go in this bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, if you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrency long term, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Kusama is down 86.6% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, it's just down 2.8%. In the last 1 week, it's up 8.5%. At the point of recording this video, Kusama is up 5.7%. This is the Kusama US dollar price chart from December 2019 till September 2022. We have not seen how Kusama will behave in the crypto bear market. This is Kusama's first crypto bear market, and it has gone from as high as $605 in May 2021 to as low as $38 in September 2022. The bear market is very brutal to all coins, and you can see that Kusama has lost more than 93% of its value from its all-time high. Is it a good time to start accumulating some Kusama? Guys, how high can Kusama go in the next bull run? The first bull run we saw Kusama from January 2020, Kusama went up more than 56,000% from as low as $1 to as high as $605 in just 483 days. Very impressive. In the next bull run, you're expecting to see Kusama pull out some crazy move. From where we're trading right now, if Kusama goes to a new all-time high, it has to go up more than 1,300%. Now, how long will it take Kusama to get to $1,000? Only time will tell right now. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool to see how high Kusama can go in the next bull run, from the top that came in for Kusama in May 2021 to the bottom that came in for Kusama in September 2022, guys, Fibonacci retracement tool is telling us that at the top of the next bull run, there's a very slim chance we might see Kusama trading above $2,400. From where Kusama is right now, for it to get to that $2,400 region, Kusama has to go up more than 5,300%. It means $1,000 invested in Kusama right here should return more than $53,000 if it gets above $2,300. Now, where are the important levels we are going to face significant resistance as Kusama is pumping towards $1,000 and above? The first level you want to watch out for as Kusama is pumping to new highs is the $64 level. This has been pivotal for Kusama over the years. The first time Kusama was pumping, we got rejected off that level in August 2020. You can see that Kusama got rejected around that $62-63 region. We had to consolidate around that region in December 2020 before we broke into new all-time highs. And as we're dumping to Goblin Town in 2022, Kusama had to consolidate around that region. And right now, we tried to break through that region, but we have gotten rejected. At some point in time in the future, Kusama will come back to trade around that $61 to $64 region, and if we can comfortably pass that level, then we'll start facing our next resistance level. And the next level you want to really watch out for Kusama is that $113 level. We found some support around that level in March 2022, but we had to go down below that level. The bear market was very brutal. Kusama, in the ending phases of his dump, went from as high as $200 in April 2022 to as low as $38 in September 2022. More than an 80% drop in the price of Kusama in just 171 days. Very, very brutal. Altcoins are very risky in the bear market, but at some point in time in the future, we are going to see altcoins pumping again. And just like how Kusama pumped really well in the bull run, I'll expect it to pump again in the future. A lot of people will be wondering, what if it goes lower than where it's trading right now? There's a lot of fear in the market, there's a lot of uncertainty. Guys, important levels you want to watch out for if Kusama goes lower than where it's trading right now. I feel like there's a very strong support. You can see the chart is showing us that Kusama had a bounce around the $26 region. So even if Kusama goes lower than where we are right now, it will just drop another 39-40%. And that's normal for all coins. You have to embrace the volatility if you are investing in all coins. They are very volatile. They can pump really hard. At the same time, they can dump really hard. So that $26 region will be a region you want to watch out for towards the downside if Kusama starts dumping. But if we go above the $114 region, we'll be happy to see that. Another level might face significant resistance as Kusama is pumping to new all-time highs above $1,000. Guys, we'll see Kusama face resistance around the $206 level. When we're pumping to new all-time highs in 2021, February, we had to consolidate around that region. The mini bear market we had in 2021 in June and July, guess what? We had to chill below that region. And even in 2022, we have tried and we have failed 2 different times to pass the $206 region. At some point in time in the future, you're going to see Kusama coming to attack this $206 region, and we want to see it pass it with clear conviction, and then we'll just be left with the final hurdle before we start shouting Kumbaya and singing all-time highs. That will be around the $445 region. Now, Kusama topped around that region. If you sold your Kusama around the $400 region, you would have been a very, very happy investor, because from as low as $1 in December 2019, we saw Kusama rise more than 47,000%. That's if you sold your Kusama around $461 level. And guys, you had enough opportunity to sell your Kusama at that price. Nobody can time the top, nobody can time the bottom, but you want to sell around the region of the top. If you sold your Kusama around $400, you had an option here March to sell your Kusama. You had another option in May. You had another option in June. You had the same option to sell your Kusama in September and in November 2021, and I believe that will be a very, very important resistance level for Kusama to get through if we are going to see it break the previous all-time high of $605. Now let's take a look at some details about Kusama before we look at its performance against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. Kusama currently is trading around $44.93. In the last 1 year, we've seen it gone as high as $518 and as low as $37.77. It has a market cap of $380 million, a fully diluted market cap of $422 million. Currently ranked 93 on CoinMarketCap. Over 256,000 people have Kusama on their watch list. If you're looking for this altcoin on any exchange, the ticker for Kusama is KSM. Out of the total supply of 9.6 million coins, we have 8.4 million of those KSM in circulation. Now, why do you want to hold Kusama through the bear market, and where can you buy some Kusama? Kusama is built on Substrate, a blockchain building kit developed by Parity Technologies. Kusama has almost the same codebase as Polkadot, one of the most successful interoperability blockchain. Self-described as Polkadot while coursing, Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massively interoperable and scalable framework for developers. Where can you buy some Kusama? If you want to buy some to hold through the bear market, you can get this altcoin on Binance, Kraken, Qcoin, BitTorrent, Gate.io, Coinbase, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Now let's take a look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. Against Bitcoin, when the market was pumping to new all-time highs, Kusama was ranging and pumping to new all-time highs. It was pumping really well, harder than Bitcoin, harder than Ethereum. And from the 6th of February 2020, we saw Kusama outperform Bitcoin by over 13,000%. One Bitcoin invested in Kusama 6th of February 2020 would have returned more than 131 Bitcoin May 2021. This is the wonders of altcoins. You want to be accumulating all these altcoins in the bear market. The bear market is when all these altcoins lose value against Bitcoin, and you want to position yourself well for the next time they will start outperforming Bitcoin. We have seen Kusama lose more than 87% of its value against Bitcoin in the bear market. It's currently at a very crucial support level. We hope this level doesn't go out. If we lose this level, we might start setting new lows for Kusama in this bear market against Bitcoin. If we take a look at Kusama's performance against Ethereum, it pumped really hard against Ethereum when the market was pumping. It went up from where it was on February 2020. Kusama went up more than 6,800% against Ethereum. Ethereum is the largest altcoin we have in the crypto market. Ethereum really pumps when the market is pumping, but we saw Kusama pumping way harder than Ethereum. But with all those pumps, you expect some dumps, and we have seen Kusama lose more than 90% of its value against Ethereum in the bear market. Only time will tell how high Kusama can pump against Bitcoin and against Ethereum in the next bull run. But guys, if you can imagine a world where Bitcoin is trading above $100,000 and Ethereum is trading above $10,000, I won't be shocked to see Kusama going above the $1,000 region. The Fibonacci retracement tool has told us that maybe, just maybe, we might see Kusama trading for as high as $2,400 in the next bull run. If you take a look at Kusama's market cap, it's currently at a crucial support level. We don't want to lose this level. If we lose this level, maybe, just maybe, we'll find support around the $214 million region. After Kusama's market cap went to as high as $5 billion in the 2021 bull run, we have seen it drop to as low as $332 million. And from where Kusama's market cap is right now, for us to get to that $214 million region, we have to see Kusama's market cap lose another 40% of its value, which is very, very possible and can happen very, very quickly. Because guys, from March 2022 till July 2022, we saw Kusama's market cap drop 77% in just 98 days. So the jury is still out there how low Kusama can go in the bear market, but in the next bull run, I won't be shocked to see Kusama's market cap break that magical $10 billion region. Because if we use the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top for Kusama that came in on the 10th of May 2021 and to the present bottom we have right now that came in on the 19th of September 2022, Kusama can get to as high as $21 billion market cap in the next bull run. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, will you be adding some Kusama to your moon bag? Do you think Kusama can break that magical $1,000 mark in the next bull run? Are we going to ever break the previous all-time high we set in 2021? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.